Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's SOP video update for Wednesday 10th of August. We're looking at SOP trying to come down and I just want to bring SOP for a very detailed analysis and let's remove all the candlestick and we might be in trouble finally for SOP to make a very big drop to the downside. And the moves to the upside has pretty much played out. The technical target that I talked about, the inverse head and shoulder, really played out, and we already went out there. Okay, so if I do bring in, just a refresher, we're gonna go back to the 4-hour time frame here, and this was your left shoulder previously, the head here, the right shoulder. You broke it out and you met the technical target. So we're pretty much done with the pump here. Okay, we're pretty much done at the moment. You might even say that right now SOP is coming down to this particular level, maybe to hold that this level of support right now, and try to hold its nerves at the moment, right? So that's the 4-hour time frame. That's the whatever happened in the previous movements. We already we're already done with the pump. Now, what is next? I want to dive into the daily and let's talk about the details of what's going to happen next. There's something that I didn't notice to tell you, but I should be telling you right now, and that is SOP. When it pumped, you must keep in mind that it actually met a particular resistance right there. Okay, and there's a concept called dirty retest. Dirty retest is when the prices just shoot down, loses support, they don't back test at the same time, then to drop. But instead, when they lose support line, they just drop without backtesting at that time. So when they drop down, somewhere in the future, they go for that dirty retest of that same support that is now resistance. And they get rejected and then they start to fall. Okay? This is something that I just want to bring into your notice right now. It's really, really important to talk about this. And do you remember 2, 3 videos ago when I said that 60% can come? It is going to come if a particular thing happen, and that is I talked about if you break this level. Okay, if you're looking to break that level, you're breaking a bear flag. Okay, so that is a particular bear flag you have. All you did is you came down, you went up, came down, went up, came down, break to the downside, you went for the retest, you probably can be rejected here and move to the downside, which pretty much makes it clear that if you are looking to come up here and hold this level, your technical target is going to be up here near this place, that place right there. But are you doing that? Are you breaking the bear flag? You haven't broken the bear flag. You want to go step by step at this point. You want to be super careful. Now, that also means on the weekly time frame as well. This is what I was talking about. You see, the highest part of that bear flag is this one right here. And that also means if you're looking to come up there and break that line and hold it, you're actually making a rounded bottom. You see that? You're making a rounded bottom and you break it out and you backtest and you move higher. As long as you're not going to do that, that's going to be a problem. And the daily technical target for SOP, if something like that is to happen, then we're talking about a technical target from there to there, and you might be looking for SOP to basically drop all the way to this price level, which is going to be 0.00184. And this can also be a very big, huge dump from Bitcoin as well, from SOP trying to move down, and you are going to have 60% dump to the downside. So be very careful. Instead of looking for that 60% pump to the upside, when that time is going to come, we're going to flip, okay? It's all about breaking the resistance. If you're going to break the resistance, amazing, and that's what I want to see. But as long as you're not going to do that, this can happen, okay? This can still go all the way down for that 60% drop as well. And that's it for today's SOP update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.